Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data, so back up the iPhone now. Once done, remove any case and screen protector and power the phone off to avoid shorts. With the device off, look closely at the volume up button for dirt or sticky residue. Blow compressed air around the seam and gently clean with a soft brush or cotton swab dampened with 90% plus isopropyl. Make sure to avoid excess liquid and test the button after reassembly of the case. You need to distinguish software from hardware issues, so enable assistive touch and use the on-screen controls to verify volume control works. If it does, update iOS and then try Reset All Settings. This clears misconfigurations without erasing media. If assistive touch fails too, proceed only if comfortable. Open the phone following guides, disconnect battery, and inspect the volume flex and tactile switch for corrosion or a torn membrane. Once you replace the faulty flex cable or tactile switch and reassemble the iPhone, reconnect the battery and power onto test. You should try volume changes in settings, music, and during a call, and confirm assistive touch still mirrors physical presses. Make sure to recalibrate by toggling Do Not Disturb and restarting. If the button remains unresponsive, don't continue more invasive fixes. Instead, contact Apple support or a certified repair shop for diagnostics. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittency persists, test with a known good replacement part before full reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.